No one is perfect. No one is perfect. Okay? Hello, dear unique, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. No one is perfect. There is a lot of good and bad that we want to label, in each of us. I believe, maybe you believe or not, but I believe coronavirus was great. Why? Coronavirus created an opportunity. How? Just remember those days you were alone by yourself. The opportunity to face the person you are most afraid. Most afraid to meet. Who? You. You always want to hide so you don't have to face yourself. Just focus. You just wanna do so many things, but you don't want to be alone with yourself, to get to know yourself. Why? And what did the coronavirus quarantine do? This virus did something you couldn't escape. Remember that. You couldn't escape. You should have know yourself, know your worst self, and you have to get therapy. I remember some ordinary people, famous people, some couldn't stand it and committed suicide. During those days, why do you think you are perfect and conscious? Why do you think you don't need therapy? Why? You're not perfect. No one is perfect. You also faced so many challenges in your life. Everyone. And every challenge in life is an opportunity to get to know yourself better, to be stronger. Coronavirus was a special opportunity for everyone. And look, you have a lot of work to do for your therapy. And it's so important. Don't avoid it. It's so important. Everything that passes everything, just like every moment, just like every day, just like every month passes in our life, we need to do therapy. Why? What do you think? Why do you need therapy? Because you have to heal yourself. Because you're human with so many feelings, emotional yeah, emotional situations, you have faced a lot of hard things in your life, just like me, just like everyone. You're not perfect. You have to heal yourself. If you love yourself, you have to heal yourself to go forward. Calm down. Don't avoid it. You have to heal yourself. If you want to achieve your dreams, if you want to achieve so many things in your life, anything, you have to take responsibility of your actions, behaviors. And if you don't want to take responsibility, I believe, you are just like those people, the people blame the mistakes they made or make, or someone else other than themselves. You are just like them. This is the ultimate, cowardice. You're not strong. Yeah. Because I told you, if you don't take responsibility for your actions, for your problems, mistakes, behaviors, and the results of your mistakes and your victories in your life, you cannot control your life. You cannot control yourself, and you cannot achieve anything in life. Yes. So just think about it, okay? Dear unique, there is only one you. You have just one life. Just one. So be very careful and love yourself, get to know yourself, heal yourself, and achieve your dreams, okay? If you like my video, like, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and write a comment for me, okay? Thank you so much for supporting me by listening and watching my videos. Love you. Bye.